What we need to do is to configure the address to go into interface VLAN 1 instead of like interface fast Ethernet 0. We want to go into interface VLAN 1 and set the IP address to whatever the IP address should be for that segment. Whatever VLAN 1 is, wherever the switch is plugged in, put in the subnet mask just like you see here. In addition, on the 2900 series switches, we must execute no shutdown to bring up the VLAN 1. On 3500 series switches or greater, VLAN 1 comes up automatically, so we don't need to execute the no shutdown command. But on the 2900 series switches, we need to execute the no shutdown command to make this interface operational. In addition, the switch, by default, is a layer 2 device that does not have a routing table which can be populated by the routers. Therefore, it's very much like a PC that doesn't know how to connect to the other networks. It only knows how to connect to its default gateway. We're going to have to give it a default gateway with a global configuration command, IP default gateway, and then the IP address of the gateway itself, like we see in this example here. Now, I will warn you that this command does work on both a router and a switch, but you should use this command on switches only. We actually want to use default routes on a router, which is 0 route with an IP route command. We do not want to use default gateway because it will limit you in certain cases when you're routing. This is going to be one of those commands that works in all flavors of iOS, but should be focused on more when working with switches and not the routers.